Hello everyone, welcome back to the Wolf. Now I am on Nifty 50 chart. So this is the major benchmark index for Indian stock market on its weekly time frame chart, as you can see. And for the past couple of days it is dumping incessantly towards the downside, or I would say for the past couple of weeks. So since the war started, you can see it is already dumping. Also, one more major reason is that it is already at its all-time high. It is already pumping for the last couple of years towards the upside very heavily. So obviously it's right now overbought, and buyers are also kind of exhausted. So this dump has to come, and to be quite honest, I won't be surprised if the price of Nifty goes all the way down till $21,800 at this level minimum, because this is the near major support for Nifty. It has already dumped 15% approximately, but I'm still expecting a way more dump in the price of Nifty as of now, because this is nothing. As I said, it can easily go till $22,000 level, but what I'm expecting is that it can also go all the way down till approximately 21,900 to 21,700 as well, exactly over here at this important support level. As you can see over here, this is a Fibonacci level from this bottom to this top, and this is the most important level for Fibonacci, somewhat over here 19,600 rupees over here. So from approximately $20,800 all the way down till $19,700, this whole is a very important support level for Nifty. There are very high chances that the price of Nifty can come at this level as well. What do you guys think? Comment down below.